Imagine stepping into a spacious home at 9338 Wilderness Glen Avenue, Las Vegas, nestled in the serene Yellowstone and Mountains Edge community. This elegant one-story house boasts 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, offering plenty of room for comfort and privacy. The heart of this home is a stunning kitchen featuring custom flooring and countertops that invite culinary adventures. The 12-foot ceilings throughout enhance the airy and grand atmosphere. Retreat to the luxurious master suite, where a spa-like bathroom awaits with a beautiful tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. Outside, the large pool-sized backyard is a blank canvas for all your entertainment dreams. This home brings together space, style, and sophistication in one perfect package, ready to create lasting memories. Call Jill Amsel at 702-683-6563 for a private tour.